Hello everyone. So today we are here at Aga Khan Palace, and this is the Aga Khan Palace. But apart from Aga Khan Palace, there is one more very significant historical monument is here, which is being saved or which is being protected by Archaeological Survey of India. That is Samadhi of Kasturba ji, Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, and Desai ma'am. So, as you can see, the left side, the right at the right side is Aga Khan Palace, and the left side is Asia jail of previous times, which is now closed for visitors. As you can see here, everywhere there is lock at each of the gates. So this is now restricted for all the visitors, and you can also see here that its monument is almost transformed into a picnic kind of a spot. As you can see, children are playing, so it is a very significant thing that you can come here, get a feel of a history with your child. They can enjoy as well, and they will know the history, which is great in every sense. You can see that here is this Gandhi National Memorial Society. From them, you can see here you can buy khadi products, and there is a Khadi Village and Industrial Commission KVIC, which is for Gandhi Memorial Society. You can buy here genuine. You can buy genuine products, genuine khadi products here at very reasonable rate, and there is entrepreneurship, and for the training and development technical training is also being provided time to time, all free of cost, just for helping India, helping people. As you can see, is the quote from Mahatma Gandhi: "We create employment and seek prosperity in India." That is from Mahatma Gandhi. Salute to him. Now come to the main purpose. Now come to the main point, which is the Samadhi. This is the way from where Gandhi ji daily goes for their evening prayers, and the resting place of Kasturba ji, her wife, his wife. You can see this is the path to Samadhi. As you can see here, there are few steps here. You can go. I'm just taking you to the Samadhi of Kasturba ji, Gandhi ji, and Desai. You can see here is the Kasturba Gandhi Smarak. Now if you come, this is Kasturba ji Vishranti, which is the final resting place. And you can see here there are 3 Samadhis here. The first one is of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi have many, means his ashes are resting in many places. This is one of the places, and you can see here just above the Samadhi there is a Tulsi plant, considered very sacred in India and part of each puja. You can see. As you can see, no one can go with slippers here. It is being prohibited. And this is Kasturba Gandhi, resting place of Kasturba Gandhi. Here also Tulsi plant is there, and then there is a Mahadevi Haribhav Sateji Desai, Mahadevi Desai, who is the, you can say, assistant or secretary to Kasturba and Gandhi ji. This is here. You can also see that behind this there is a very burger tree, but the most importantly which I want to show you is there is also a free training center. You can see the board back there. At the complete back you can see the board. It is a training center, also free of cost for each one who is willing to come. You can also see here that This is Morarji Bhai Desai Kishubhai, means from by the hand of our ex-Prime Minister Morarji Desai, who has inaugurated this later back in 1969. You can see.